If you want to start creating stunning AI images, the first step is setting up your Leonardo.AI account. And in this video, I'll show you exactly how to do it in just a few easy steps. I'll walk you through the full sign-up process, whether you want to use Google, Microsoft, Canva, or email. So by the end of this tutorial, you'll be signed in and ready to create. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple AI tutorials just like this. Let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to Leonardo.AI. Once the website loads, you'll land on the Leonardo.AI homepage. Here, look for the Start Now button and click it. This will take you to the next page where the sign-up options are available. On the new page, take a look at the left sidebar and click Sign Up. This is where Leonardo.AI lets you choose how you want to create your account. You'll usually see several login providers, including Google, Microsoft, Canva, or email. Choose the option that works best for you. If you select Google, Microsoft, or Canva, you'll be redirected to that account's login screen to confirm access. If you choose email, you'll need to enter your details and create a password, then complete any verification steps that appear on the screen. Follow the prompts carefully until the sign-up process is finished. Depending on the option you choose, you may need to confirm your identity, approve permissions, or check your email for a verification message. Once that's done, Leonardo.AI will automatically load the homepage, which means your account has been created successfully and you're now signed in. From here, you can begin exploring the dashboard, generating images, and using the platform's creative tools. And that's all there is to it. You've now created your Leonardo.AI account and you're ready to start using the platform. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next step-by-step guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.